What's this game? It's a game of TV. This time we're checking out a camera. This one doesn't work, but I want to see what the crap's inside it. Yeah. I bet there's not gonna be. I bet there's gonna be nothing in there. Now the thing, like an RC car, that has a microchip in it. Oh, frick, there's a microchip in this. Microchip. I want to get this out because I'll keep anything that's in these. This is broke. These things that I have are broken. So I got it. If you hear that, that's my dog in a vacuum. Or they go like that. I might, no. Oh. So I got this thing off. It's supposed to be the camera thing. The frick. So something springed out, which is I have no freaking. We're at 4 minutes and 22 seconds. There's the other one. Yes, I got it. This is the stuff that's on it. So well, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all later. Peace.